Turning simple sketches into realistic images no longer requires advanced design skills. AI can do it in just a few clicks. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Gemini. Then open the tool and switch to the Create Image option. For higher quality results, select the Pro version before starting. Next, tap on the plus icon and upload your sketch so the AI can understand your base design. Then write a detailed prompt describing how you want the final image to look, including textures, lighting, colors, and realism level. The more specific your prompt, the better the output will be. Once everything is ready, submit your request and let the AI process it. Within moments, the AI transforms your rough sketch into a polished, realistic image with enhanced details and depth. The result looks professionally created while still staying true to your original idea. When your image is ready, simply download it and use it for presentations, social media, or creative projects. This AI workflow makes it incredibly easy to turn ideas into high-quality visuals without any manual effort.